Welcome to Cooking with Chef Toad! Hiya! Welcome to Cooking with Chef Toad. And today, we will be making peppermint punch! Okay, so here are your ingredients. You need water, whatever this is, whole cloves. And you need cupcake jams, you need nutmeg, and you need vanilla, and you need a candy cane. Leave the wrapper on it. Okay. You need that. Anyway, first, everybody, see, this water is very acidy. So if it falls on the floor, it's bad. So, let's see. I gotta put this remember, only 1/3 of a cup. So let's take our 1/3 of a cup thingy, and put it right here. Now we can just pour that in. So we have to put our filter in there. How do I hold this? Okay. Now I take with my other hand the water and pour it gently in. See if that was enough. Yep, that's pretty close. So now put that in. Anyway, now we gotta take this and pour it in. Oh, pour it in here. This bowl. Very important that you have all of it. Okay. This is one serving of something. I don't know what this is. Now, take your peppermint stick. Throw it in. Get it all wet so it's easier to eat. Now, you need some whole cloves. Take this, pour it. You actually need a whole cup of this. Okay, my chef hat! Get back on there! Anyway. Audience, how do you think of it so far? That's so good! Yeah, we take the thing that we just poured in this, pour this in, or the candy cane, and make sure it gets all of it. Now, take 1 teaspoon of whole cloves. So let's see, I need the 1 teaspoon. Okay, right here is the 1 teaspoon thing. And now we take this and pour it in. Hope that was the other one. Wait, no, it wasn't. So I gotta pour this back in. Okay, actually, it's the ground nutmeg. I don't care about my head now. Pour this in here. Don't suffer! Okay, and pour that in there. Now, what you need is use the rest of your water because it's very important that you do. Very. So let's see. We gotta put this on top of the candy cane. See? Rest of your water in there. There. Perfect. Now there's more water to sit. Okay. now that that's there, take this and we smack it. And again. One more time. Okay. So my table is wet. And I'm happy! So, I just pour the whole bottle in. Come on, keep you coming. I think that's it. Now, we gotta stir it. Come on, baby. Stir, stir, stir. Okay, pick up a little bit of water just to test it. Just to test the water to see. Pour it in carefully into something. Like that. Put it on top of your cup. It's very important that you do that. Anyway, now see we have this water now, and we transfer it into this cup because I want to. And that's 1/2 of a cup, so that should fit in the 1/4 cup. Shouldn't it? Yep. And then the 1/4 cup gets poured in here. And now you can see the crack is functioning, and I kind of want to make that bigger. There. Now the water can get to the peppermint. Okay. Once the water has gotten to the peppermint, you must stir again. Complete the process that we did again. 1/3, 1/2. Okay. Pour that in here. Pour this in there. Pour this in here. There. Now, once you did that, you take the 1 whole cup, and you put it on your head, so it's got no water in it. Then, you say, "Hey audience, how do you think of it?" I think we have to cook it. I don't know why peppermint punch has to be cooked. So hold on a second as I go out there. Stay in here. Come on, somebody go out there! Oh my God! Wow! For 5 minutes. I think it's done. Burr. Whoa, the water appears to be red. Peppermint did get into the water.